Hi guys, today I'm gonna be following Tariami's makeup tutorial. This is what my makeup looks like normally. It's kind of similar, but I'm gonna do her makeup anyways because she's so pretty and she's so iconic.
If you want to be Tariami, you have to think like Tariami. Tariami is a mindset.
Yeah, my hair looks bad and I'm wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt, so I might as well do my makeup even though I literally just took my makeup off. Okay, so we're gonna start with moisturizer because she touches moisturizer, and whatever Tara does, I'm gonna do. Obviously, I'm following a makeup tutorial. Anyways, so we're just gonna, I literally don't have any of the same products as her, so I'm just gonna use this moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use this moisturizer. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna use this moisturizer. It has goat milk in it, and it's like a cream, but it's like not a cream, it's more, I don't know what it is, but yeah, it looks like that. I've used a lot of it because I've been using moisturizer a lot, but yeah, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my face and hope for the best, you know? I need to stop saying you know in my YouTube videos. I literally, all I ever say is you know, and like it's so annoying. It's always you know, and so yeah, and like and I say and a lot as well. And I need to take talking lessons. Oh, sorry, I got a notification. Because I'm recording on my phone. Okay, we are moisturized. Okay, we're moisturized. We're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so next, she does like, it's like skin tints as concealer, but I don't have skin tints, and yeah, so I'm just gonna use a very sheer foundation that I've been using for like forever. Anyways, that I've been using for forever. And also, I do the same thing with this. That I don't use concealer, because I don't use concealer and I don't use foundation. I mean, I do use foundation. I do use foundation, but whatever. So, I'm just gonna do that. I'm not gonna apply it directly to my face, even though she does, but it's different, okay? It's different, it's the same. It's basically the same thing. Okay, so I did my eyebrows too. They're not looking too good. They're not looking too good, but it's fine. It's fine. It's makeup. I look like a Teletubby. Anyways, next step, I think. I forgot to record because I'm just so smart like that. I'm so smart. But I did my blush. You can't even tell. You can't even freaking tell that I put blush on. But it's there. I promise you it's there. I should put more on. Hold on. I should not have done that. I look sunburnt, like off camera. Hold on. Let me show you in better lighting how bad it looks. Okay, wait, I take it back. It doesn't look that bad. I think it's just the darkness of the room that makes me look like I just got hit by the sun. Sorry, my bad. I was quoting one of my old videos. Are you kidding? How did... There's roly-polies on the floor. Are they still alive? They're still alive. If I flip them over. He's moving. Get out of my house. safe to say there's not really police in my house anymore. Anyways, I put on my contour. Now I'm gonna blend it. Oh my gosh, I used my finger. What the heck happened here? Oh gosh. Okay, anyways. Okay, it's not serving, but it's fine. It's fine. I need to clean those up. Anyways, next I'm gonna do bronzer. The things I would do to just be Tara Yummy. Not even like just look like Tara, like be Tara Yummy. Yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it. It's not serving. I look so bad.
A few moments later.
I think it's just my face. Like Tara's so pretty without makeup, and then just me. I look like a troll. This entire account's literally turning into a makeup account. Cause like the last video that I posted, cause I took down all my other videos. The last video I posted was a makeup tutorial. And now I'm following a makeup tutorial. At this point I'm turning into James Charles. I don't want to be James Charles. Anyways, what was I doing?
3 weeks later.
Right, I'm following a makeup tutorial. Next step, I think. Okay, so I have a very like similar highlighter to the one Tara uses. However, I don't even think I could show this without it like going everywhere. Hold on. Hold on. Look at my highlighter. Pretty girls have broken makeup. Anyways. It's very similar to Tara's. It's very similar color, not a similar one. But yeah, so she like puts it on the tip of her nose. It's actually so pretty. My bad. Anyways, so then I look like that one girl on TikTok.
Burn it.
It's not horrible. It's there. Also, look at my hair. It kind of like... I was just complaining about my hair earlier. I don't have any eyeliner with me currently. All I have is black. There's black eyeshadow and... So all I have is black eyeshadow and eyeliner brushes. That's gonna work for me. So, yeah. Okay, Priscilla.
Where have you been?
My bad. But please match. I do love roly-polies. I just don't like them when they're in my freaking room. Anyways. This one looks wild. Oh my gosh, it looks bad. I'm gonna run out of storage by doing this, so I'm just gonna do my eyeliner off camera. Close enough. I kind of fixed them. I'm kind of vibing with it now. I'm still looking. Okay, so I did the other part and it ended up looking like Johnnie.
I want your heart, I want your brain.
Merrily we fall out of line, out of line. I'd fall anywhere if you were by your side. Anyways, I don't even look like Johnnie, I freaking look like Timmy. So, of course, because I don't have the money to just go around buying stuff that people use in freaking makeup tutorials. Merrily we fall out of line, I'd fall
12 seconds later.
So I don't know the words. I literally only know from TikTok, and I'm admitting that right now. I'm not a real fan. However, if you quiz me on the lyrics to Partners in Crime by Set It Off, I can tell you every single word.
This tale of reckless love, living a life of crime on the run. A brush to a gun to paint these days green and red.
Okay. I'm so mad that happened. Anyways, so guys, my bags. Walking out the door with your bags. Am I vibing with it? Are you guys vibing with it? I don't know. Let me show you in better lighting. I'm not sure if I'm vibing with it. I'm not sure if you're vibing with it. I'm not sure if anybody's vibing with it because it's low-key ugly. And I would never do that to poor Tara. Like, let me do this. Who let me do this to poor Tara's makeup? I ruined that. Oh my gosh, it looks horrible. I mean, it's not bad. But it's bad. That's all. I don't look like Tara. I look like Wednesday Addams. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me horribly replicating Tara's makeup. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you didn't watch the whole video and just skipped to the end to see the results, hey, these are the results. They're not good, but thanks for watching the end anyways. Subscribe.